Just do a little dance. Do a little dance. We got that. Oh, found that thumb. Look at that. That makes him feel better already. Give him a bath. Cool him down. Wash him off a little bit. Yeah, this little thingy is wonderful. I like this. So wash your head. Okay, now I'm fixing to make you mad again because I'm going to raise you up just a little bit. That's all right. You just hang on to that thumb. Oh, goodness. Slobber, slobber. We'll get you fed as soon as we get you diapered and dressed. Yes, you hadn't had it.
He was going to town on that thumb.
Yeah, he likes that.
It makes him feel better.
Yes.
Makes him feel better.
Get him washed. Get him washed. Wash your booty. Let's wash you. I know, but I need to wash your booty. Yes, we need. Oh well, we need to wash your booty.
That's one of the dirtiest spots.
That's the part that. Well, you lost your foot. All right, hang on. Here, can you hold that? Put it on when I get him up.
I can.
It's gonna be a mad duck. Gonna be a